kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Red color, light blue color, black color, dark blue color, pink color, brown color, yellow color and orange color. Orange color. A. E for aeroplane. E for aeroplane. Purple color. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Blue color. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. Green color. D for donkey. D for donkey. Yellow color. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. Orange color. F for fish. F for fish. Green color. G for girl. G for girl. Yellow color. H for hand. H for hand. Orange color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Green color. J for joker. J for joker. Orange color. K for kite. K for kite. Green color. L for lion. L for lion. Purple color. M for monkey. M for monkey. Orange color. N for nest. N for nest. Green color. O for owl. O for owl. Blue color. P for piano. P for piano. Orange color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R for ring. R for ring. Orange color. S for star. S for star. Green color. T for tiger. T for tiger. Purple color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Green color. V for village. V for village. Orange color. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Blue color. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Green color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Purple color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And at last, small kitty, yellow color for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.